Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about how to delete a Google Doc. Maybe you have an outdated document or you just need to clean up your drive. Deleting is easy, but don't worry. There is a safety net. So to start, open your Google Docs application on your device and check if you are signed into it. By opening the application on the home page, select the document that is outdated and that you want to send to the trash. By selecting the document you want to get rid of, look for the three dots on the document itself and click on them. On the new page, look for the Remove option in the drop-down menu and click on it, and then confirm that you want to trash. And that's it. So the next time you need to delete a Google Doc, remember to move to trash in Drive. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Docs hacks to keep your digital life organized and stress-free.